Once upon a time, in a quiet valley, there lived a little grey stone named Rocky. Rocky was a talkative stone. He loved to brag. "I'm the strongest stone in the valley," he would boast. "I can roll faster than anyone. I don't just sit around like you boring old rocks." The other stones, covered in soft green moss, smiled calmly. They didn't talk much. They were happy in their cozy spots by the stream. One sunny morning, Rocky decided to prove his greatness. "I'll roll across the valley and show everyone how amazing I am," he shouted, and off he went, rolling and rolling down the hills. At first, it was exciting. He saw trees, flowers, and even a frog that waved hello. But soon, Rocky started to feel lonely. No moss grew on him. No flowers bloomed nearby, just dust and wind. Meanwhile, the stones by the stream kept helping the little creatures who lived around them. Moss gave shade to worms, and frogs rested on them when tired. They didn't talk much, but their kind actions made the valley beautiful. After days of rolling, Rocky finally stopped beside a pond. He saw his reflection, dusty, cracked, and bare. He sighed. "I kept rolling and talking big, but I never did anything useful." Just then, a small bird chirped. "You can still change. Actions speak louder than words. Rocky, stay still and help others. Soon you'll see the magic." So Rocky stayed near the pond, offering a cool resting spot for the animals. Days passed, and soon soft green moss began to grow over him. He wasn't lonely anymore. He was part of the valley's life. Moral of the story: a rolling stone gathers no moss. If you keep moving without purpose, you won't build stability or growth. Actions speak louder than words. It's what you do, not what you say, that truly shows your worth.